Promo codes are deals you create and share with a specific group, like in an advertisement. To create a new promo code deal, navigate to Mobile App, Deals, and select Create, View Promo Code Deals. Add a new deal. Name the deal. Select the award type. Item gives away an item, you select which item to give away here. Transaction $discount gives a set amount off a total purchase, you choose how much to discount here under award value. Item $discount gives a set dollar amount, determined here, off a specific item, selected here. All promo codes must be given a start date and end date. This is the time period in which the promo code can be added to a customer's virtual wallet in the app. Claim limit is how many times each customer can redeem this promo. We'll leave it at 1. Expiration type can be changed. None means the deal will stay in the customer's wallet until it is redeemed. End date means if the deal has not been redeemed before the end date, it will disappear from the customer's wallet on that date. Custom lets you set how long the deal will stay in the customer's wallet after they add it, available for them to redeem, possibly after the end date. A lot of site operators like to use the custom expiration date of 7 to 14 days to create a sense of urgency. Here, in the green box, is where you'll set your code that customers will enter to get the promotion. This is the code that you share with customers, like in our magazine ad example. Color and image can be customized here. We typically recommend leaving Allow Upgrades and Auto Select to Kiosk Default. If you have multiple locations and terminals, you can choose where this promotion is valid. Select Save. Promo codes will be displayed here. Keep in mind, if a code has ever been redeemed, it cannot be deleted. Do you still have questions about promo code deals or anything else hosted solutions related? Contact Hamilton Customer Service directly.